Three high-income career paths that can change your life in 2026. Project management, business analysis, and product management. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ibiyemi and I help professionals to move into high in-demand tech roles like project management, product management, and business analysis. And guess what? Even if you're starting from zero. Today I want to talk to you about three solid life-changing career paths that can transform your income, open global opportunities, genuinely change your life and your story in a short time. Now, these roles are high in demand in Nigeria, in the UK, in the US and Canada, and even globally. Now, if you've been confused about where to start or which role is right for you, then this video is for you. Let's get into it. Why these roles matter. Now, before I break down each of these roles and what they do to give you clarity and why I'm even making this video in the first place, is because I get messages from people. I'm tired of struggling. I want a job I can do from anywhere. I want to earn in dollars. Yeah. And I want a career that gives me peace of mind. These are the questions that I get, and that's why I'm recording this video. Honestly, I get why these questions are buzzing in the minds of people, because I was once there as well. Now, the truth is, the world has changed, and if you want stability, career flexibility, higher earning potential, you need skills that companies would hire you for, and they're in demand globally. And that's why I'm sharing these three roles with you, because they all require zero coding. The first one is product management. Now let's start with product management. What exactly is product management? Like if somebody walks up to you and asks you, what would you say is product management? Now, product managers are responsible for thinking about what the customers want. The product itself could be an app, a website, a digital banking feature, a delivery service, a physical product. The product manager is the person that understands what the customer wants, collects real feedback. It works with the technical team and it shapes the future of the product. Why is product management so powerful and why are they well paid? Because every company has a product and needs someone that owns it and manages it. You are good at it if you are highly respected. Your income will grow very fast. You will become valuable in any country you step into, and companies trust your judgments. Imagine a fintech app wants to add a feature that lets people send money internationally. The product manager is the one that says, okay, what problem are we solving? What do customers really want? What's missing from the current experience? And what should this look like when we release it? You're not coding, you're thinking, you're planning, you're coordinating, and you're guiding. Now let's move to number two, which is project management, the people's favorites. Project management, what exactly is it? And I've shared this multiple times on my channel. A project manager is someone that helps the company to work properly, like helping people to get things done on time and in budget. You're the one coordinating everything: teams, deadlines, deliverables, budget, risk, communication. Now, a simple example of this can also be a company wanting to launch a TV campaign. The product manager would handle the video team, the influencers, the scripts, the timelines, the approvals, the budget, the handover. Everyone will look to you as the project manager for direction. And this career pays very well because businesses cannot afford to have projects that fail. A good project manager brings order, structure, confidence, clarity. And that's why companies hire them aggressively. You can have 5 project managers on one project. Do you need to be strict? Not really. But you need to be clear, you need to know how to lead, you need to be able to manage people respectfully. You don't need to shout, you need to communicate professionally and guide the project. People need to work for you, basically. Now let's move on to business analysis. Now, a business analyst, you basically sit between the business and the technical team. An example could be a bank that wants to introduce a new online loan feature. As a business analyst, the person who sits with the stakeholders, you tell them, what exactly do you want this feature to do? What are the success criteria? What are the rules? Because you have to obey business rules. What happens if a customer fails to meet the criteria? Then the BA documents everything so the developers know what to build. Why is this a strong career path? No coding, very transferable, like literally you have loads of transferable skills. Every industry needs a BA. It is beginner friendly and it's high paying. Now, it is good for you if you are a good communicator, you're a curious thinker, you like to get into detail, like to understand how things work, you're a problem solver, and you want to enter into tech without stress. If you want a stable, strategic, well-paying role, business analysis is one of the strongest options in my opinion. I have a lot of bias because I'm a business analyst myself. Now, which one should you choose? Now, here's the honest truth. All three roles, product manager, project manager, business analysis, they're all amazing and they are very transferable. The best one for you depends on your personality. What do you enjoy doing? Do you enjoy strategy? Product management. Do you enjoy organizing? Project management. Do you enjoy clarity and problem solving? Business analysis. There is no best role, to be honest. The only best role is for you. What is my final advice for you, especially as 2026 is around the corner? Don't wait for your life to change. You have to choose a direction and start building. These roles changed my own life. They've changed people that have come into my bootcamp, their own lives. It can change yours too. with the right guidance, support, and consistency. If you're ready to start your career journey, our January enrollment is open, and the next set of project managers and business analysts will be starting on the 24th of January. They're already enrolling from now. Now, what you get? Full training, support, templates, live projects, community access, guidance every step of the way. If you want more information, read the description. All the details you need would be in the description. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone on this clarity. So many people are literally stuck. They really want to go into one of these roles. They've tried, they've taken trainings. I get people saying, I've done training, I can't get a job. Clarity is the most important thing. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Ibiyemi Career Coach, TikTok at Ibiyemi Career Coach, LinkedIn, Ibiyemi Fashion. Stay connected to this channel because I would be releasing a new video every week and you want to be the first to know when they drop. See you in the next video. Bye for now.